Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can add notes to your Pinterest board. So to do that, I'm just going to go to my profile. So it is the fifth icon, and I'm just going to choose that. And after that, I am then going to select a Pinterest board, and then I'm just going to press on notes. And now I'm just going to press create your first note, or that plus button on the top right corner. So I'm just going to write down gorgeous makeup. You can write anything you want, of course, and you can even add the text here. I'm just going to do this randomly, and you can even add a pin. So I'm just going to select this one, press done, and I'm just going to press done. And as you can see, there's the note, and you can even add another pin. You can select a few pins, as you can see, and there's the note. And if you want to view it, just click on the notes button and it will be there. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!